In 1973, Rosenhan revealed how labels bend reality. Half a century later, the braver question might be this: are we still medicating dimensional distortions, patterns of perception, emotion, and energy that could be resolved by restoring coherence? In the 1970s, Rosenhan sent healthy people into psychiatric hospitals. They reported hearing one word and were all labeled with serious mental illness. Even after acting normal, their behavior was filtered through that label. Reality bent around the diagnosis. Fast forward to today, we have a manual of hundreds of psychiatric disorders, yet rates of mental distress keep climbing. What if the problem isn't the people? What if it's the lens we're using to define them? Quantum physics suggests reality isn't fixed, it's probabilistic. Consciousness isn't separate from the field, it's entangled with it. When coherence breaks down, we experience distortions. Perception narrows or fragments. Emotion loops instead of resolving. The nervous system vibrates out of phase with the whole. From this perspective, depression might be a dimensional collapse, a gravity well pulling you into a lower frequency state. Anxiety could be a resonance mismatch, a kind of energetic static between the self and the environment. And schizophrenia? Perhaps it's not simply hallucination, rather being caught between dimensions, receiving sensory data from one dimension without corroboration in the other. The brain scrambles to make sense of signals the collective field can't yet validate. This isn't medical advice, it's a challenge to the lens. What happens if we treat the human system not as broken, but as a field that can retune? Imagine if therapy wasn't just about coping. Imagine if it were about restoring coherence, emotional, energetic, and quantum, realigning the individual with the whole. Rosenhan asked, can we trust the label? Today's question might be, can we trust the reality we're measuring? And if we shift the lens, could we shift reality itself? What do you think? Follow to explore these ideas further.